In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to your account while on the free trial plan. Whether you're just getting started or testing out the features, this guide will ensure you know how to navigate the process smoothly and effectively. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the homepage of your platform. From there, you'll want to locate the settings option. This is typically represented by a gear icon, so keep an eye out for that familiar symbol. Once you've found and clicked on settings, you'll see a range of options you can tweak and adjust according to your needs. Among these options, look for the tab labeled Users. That's our destination today, as this section holds the magic key for adding new members to your team. Now, you might notice that since we're operating under a free trial plan, there are some limitations to what we can access in terms of user management. However, worry not. I'll guide you through the necessary steps to get the most out of what's available during this trial phase. Just follow along with me, and I assure you, you'll have it down pat in no time. Within the Users section, you'll see an option to add new users, or alternatively, add staff. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll start to populate the necessary information for each new user. You'll need to fill out a few basic details, such as their name and email address. It's essential to make sure that the email address you enter is correct, as this is how the invite will be sent. Double-checking this information can save you a lot of headaches later on. Once you've input all the required information, there will be an option to send an invite. Clicking this sends a notification to the new user's email, inviting them to join your platform and be part of your project. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to ensure the details are accurate to avoid any delays in onboarding your new team members. Remember, while the free trial might have some restrictions, it's a fantastic way to explore and determine if this platform is the right fit for your needs and those of your team. This process of adding users is one of the key features you'll want to explore, especially if collaboration is a significant part of your workflow. Take advantage of this free trial period to familiarize yourself with all aspects of user management, providing a solid foundation for when you transition to a full subscription plan. With these steps complete, you've successfully learned how to add users on the free trial plan. I hope this guide has been useful and that you feel more confident navigating your platform's user settings. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials and, as always, happy exploring!